Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. In today's video, I will be sharing another quick recipe with you, and we're going to need some asparagus and green beans. I'm going in right now with a little bit of oil. Heat that up for 2 to 3 minutes, and once it's heated up, I'm going in now with the chopped ginger and garlic. I will cook this for roughly 2 minutes and add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. I'm using the vegetable all-purpose seasoning, but feel free to use any all-purpose seasoning you have in your kitchen. Now I'm going in with the asparagus first because it's also a little bit hard to cook, and after that I will add the green beans as well. I'm cooking this on a low medium heat to allow everything to cook properly. To season the vegetables, I'm going in with a little bit more of the all-purpose seasoning, and I will be adding about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, or you can use water as well if you don't have apple cider vinegar. That will do the job perfectly well. Now it's time to toast this a little bit and then let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes. If you like your food a little bit spicy, you can use black pepper, or in this case I will be using some chili flakes. So if you don't have it, feel free to add black pepper. Always remember, it's your kitchen, your rules. I'm just guiding you here, and I hope you are enjoying the recipe. If that is the case, give the video a thumbs up, and our asparagus and beans are ready. I will be pairing it with some stir-fry rice and grilled chicken thigh. Feel free to pair this with quinoa, couscous, or some fries, and you can use fish as well with this asparagus and beans. You're going to enjoy that. If you're familiar with this channel, you know I love my food on a spicy side, so I'm going in now with a little bit of black chili sauce, and my dinner is ready right here. You know what to do now. In Togo, we say midunolo, meaning you are invited to join me. So grab your fork and let's dive right into it. If today is your first time coming across my channel and you don't want to miss out on these delicious recipes, kindly subscribe and make sure your notification bell is on. That right there is for you guys. Let's try the greens. Let me know how you like your greens in the comment section. You know how much I love reading your comments, so keep them coming, and let me know as well what you think about today's easy and very yummy recipe, because it was really delicious. Don't forget to try the recipe and also let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye. Au revoir.